Hi. In this video, within a few minutes, I will show you the mistake most reborn and doll buyers make. By the way, I made that mistake myself. Stay with me, we are starting. So, you have bought yourself a reborn or doll, as I did at one time. You have been looking for her for a long time, looking at different sites. You read reviews, looked at forums. You order it, and here comes the package. You joyfully open it. And what happens then? You or your children play with her. You can dress her or put her on a chair. Eventually, you will have a question that will start to bother you. Where will my doll sleep? I imagined the creepiest moments of my favourite doll's life. You have spent a great deal of time and money for the wrong purpose, for her to suffer. You ask me, what did I do? I created this wonderful cradle. So how did I make it? First of all, I went to the website and ordered the kit I needed. The kit came with a vine like this and a base for the cradle. There were also detailed paper instructions and a link to video instructions. All that's left is to find some free time to weave this wonderful cradle. It took me about 1 day to make this cradle. It was hard at first, but then it got easier and easier. And after a while, it even began to calm me down and bring me pleasure. And so I ended up with such a wonderful cradle for my doll. This cradle has no sharp corners. All the edges are smooth and even. So it turns out thanks to a special manufacturing technology. In the cradle, there are no protruding rods of vines, which can damage my doll. How wonderfully my doll fits in this cradle, and it's so comfortable. By the way, if you have no time at all to weave such a wonderful cradle for your doll or reborn, on this site you can choose and buy a cradle. You will be able to choose the size of the crib to fit the size of your reborn. You can also choose any colour of the cradle. It doesn't take long for a craftswoman to make you your unique and one-of-a-kind cradle for your darling. And a courier will deliver your cradle to your doll. So choose what colour you want to weave the cradle yourself, or choose a cradle of the desired colour and size. By the way, you can buy a vine for weaving or order a cradle from a craftswoman on the same site. The link to the site I will give in the description below. Come on over and order. In the following video, I will show you how you can decorate this wonderful cradle. So subscribe to this channel, put a like, and leave a comment under this video. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.